Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV joint on a Toyota Corolla. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a torque wrench and a complete socket set. Make sure you have a new CV axle assembly and fresh cotter pins ready. Safely lift your vehicle and secure it on sturdy jack stands before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now, let's get to removing the old axle. Begin by taking off the wheel, then carefully unbolt and remove the brake caliper and rotor. Next, loosen the large axle nut and separate the lower ball joint from the steering knuckle. With these components out of the way, you can carefully pull the old CV axle free from the transmission.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY car repair tips. On another note, if you're looking to make your life easier, check out these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers. They're perfect for keeping your lunch fresh, even after a messy car repair. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the old axle out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully slide the new CV axle into the transmission, ensuring it seats properly, then guide the outer end into the wheel hub. Reconnect the lower ball joint and hand-tighten the axle nut. Finally, reinstall your brake caliper, rotor, and the wheel, making sure everything is aligned. This is a critical step for safety and longevity. Use your torque wrench to tighten all fasteners, especially the axle nut and ball joint bolts, to the manufacturer's exact specifications. Double-check every connection to ensure everything is secure and properly fitted. Once complete, take your Corolla for a careful test drive to confirm smooth operation and no unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.